Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix this setting is managed by your administrator in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix that issue. Before that I'm showing the same issue I having it. Click on the Windows security, click on virus threat protection, click on manage settings. I can't even turn it on this real-time protection. This setting is managed by your administrator. Let's fix that issue guys. For that first solution, go to search menu and type registry editor. Click on open it. So in registry you just need to carefully note it guys. Search for system. Just need to click on the system. On right side enable LUA, double click on it, and if the value is anything denote in here, you just need to change this value data to 0. After doing it, click on OK and go back. You just want to change this take effect. You just want to restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC and check whether your problem resolved or not. If this doesn't resolve your problem guys, let's move on to the next solution. For that, go to search menu again, go to registry editor again, click on open it guys. The same way, go to H key local machine. We are just going to delete the Windows Defender register key guys. This will definitely work for somebody else. Some people get work on this first solution, somebody else get work on second solution. So follow me. H key local machine, expand it and expand the software folder and expand the policies and expand the Microsoft and expand the Windows. Expand the Windows Defender. You just need to click on the Windows Defender guys. At this point I will show my file path location. You zoom in my video. After checking it, you just need to click on the Windows Defender, right click on it and select export and save to desktop or anything else. You just need to save it as, you just need to name this as backup guys, BACUP, backup file for Windows Defender DFENDER. Click on save it. After saving it, you just want to right click on the Windows Defender and delete it guys. Click on S and delete this key. So now delete this Windows Defender key. This won't it harm your computer guys, that's why delete it, please delete it. After deleting this, you just want to close out of everything and go to start icon and select the restart option and restart it guys. After restarting your PC, hopefully your problem will be resolved. Let's wait and see. Just now I just restarted my PC guys. Click on this arrow mark and click on Windows Defender. Click on virus threat protection and click on virus threat protection manage settings. Now the real-time protection is turned on automatically when I restarted, and you can see I can able to turn off everything in here guys. Your problem has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.